Hi guys and welcome back. My name is Allie and you are watching Coupon on the Fly. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be sharing another Dollar General video with you guys. Today I have created 3 all digital newbie friendly couponing scenarios for this Saturday at Dollar General, which is February 6th. I can't believe that we're already into February and we are going to be snagging some laundry deals and some Febreze sprays finally, so February is already looking up. So if you guys enjoy my channel and you enjoyed this video, then definitely give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Also check out the description box because I leave a link to my Instagram there and I would love it if you would follow me over on there. So don't forget to go on your DG accounts and clip all of your coupons and make sure you guys watch the video the whole way through so that you can see the screenshots of every single coupon that you need for my 3 deals. So without further ado, let's jump right on into this Dollar General video. Okay, so beginning with deal number 1, our first 2 items will be 2 19-count packages of the all laundry packs. Then you're going to grab a bottle of the Arm & Hammer scent boosters, and this is a 15-ounce bottle and they have many different scents, so if you guys have a scent suggestion, then definitely leave it in the comment section down below. Your next item will be a Febreze plug-in with warmer, and this is just a 1 count. Then you're going to snag a box of Crest toothpaste, and this is a 4.6 ounce box. Your next item will be a package of the Mucinex DM, and this is a 6 count package, so it's one of the small boxes. And your last item will be a bottle of Nivea lotion, and this is a 13.5 ounce bottle. Again, make sure you guys are scanning those Nivea lotion bottles because some only attach to the coupons, so make sure you scan it before you stick it in your cart. Now you guys know which coupons to clip, and so we can move on onto the breakdown of it. The all laundry packs are on sale this week, 2 for $8, and we have a $4 off coupon, making them only $4. The bottle of the Arm & Hammer scent booster is $3, and we have a $1 off coupon, making it only $1. And the Febreze plug-in with warmer is $3, and we have a $3 off coupon, and you guys know I love to see this. That makes this item absolutely free. The box of Crest toothpaste is $3 and we have a $1 off coupon, bringing it down to $2. The Mucinex DM is $5.50 and we have a $3 off coupon this week, making it only $2.50. And our last item, the Nivea lotion, is $3.65 and we have a $2.50 off coupon, which is a very high coupon for this item, making it only $1.15. So looking at our subtotal, it will come to $26.15, and after our coupons and savings come off, including the 5 off 25, we will spend a total of $6.65 plus tax out of pocket for deal number 1. Okay, moving on to deal number 2. Our first 2 items will be, again, the 2 packages of the 19-count all laundry packs. Then you're going to snag a bottle of Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent, and this is a 61.25 ounce bottle of detergent. So that's 3 laundry items right there. Then we're going to snag our 4th laundry item, which is the Arm & Hammer scent booster bottle, and this is a 15-ounce bottle. You're again going to grab the Febreze plug-in with the warmer, which of course, why not? It's free. Your next item will be 2 of the Febreze sprays in any scent of your choice. If you guys have any scent suggestions, then definitely leave them down below. And your last item will be the 3 count package of Schick classic razors. Going over the breakdown for deal number 2, the all packs are again $8 and we have a $4 off coupon, making them only $4 for both packages. The Arm & Hammer liquid detergent is $3.95, and we have a $1 off coupon, making that only $2.95. The Arm & Hammer scent boosters are again $3, and we have a $1 off coupon, bringing it down to $2. The Febreze plug-in is of course free whenever we use our $3 off coupon. And again, we're grabbing 2 Febreze sprays, making it $6, and we have a $3 off coupon, bringing that down to only $3. The package of Schick Classic razors is $4, and we also have a $3 off coupon. I love the number 3 today, making it only $1. So looking at our subtotal, it comes to $27.95, and after our coupons and savings come off, including the 5 off 25, we will spend a total of $7.95 plus tax out of pocket for deal number 2. Here we go to the third and final deal, and this is probably the deal that I will do personally on Saturday. So our first 2 items are of course the 2 packages of the all laundry packs, and again, don't forget to snag the 19 count packages. Then you're going to grab the 15-ounce bottle of Arm & Hammer scent booster. Your next item will be the Angel Soft toilet paper, and this is a 12-roll package, and make sure that it says either linen or lavender. You can get those packages, and if you're not sure, then definitely scan them on the DG app and make sure the coupon attaches to it. Your next item will of course be the Febreze plug-in with warmer, and again, this is a 1 count. Your next item will be the 3 count packages of Schick Classic razors, and they have men's or women's versions, so definitely check those out. And your last item will be a 75 count package of Oral-B floss picks. Going over the breakdown for deal number 3, our all packs will be $4 whenever we use our $4 off coupon. Again, the Arm & Hammer scent booster bottle will be $2 whenever we use a $1 off coupon. The Angel Soft toilet paper package is $5, and we have a 25-cent off coupon, bringing that down to $4.75. Our Febreze plug-in is $3 with a $3 off coupon, making that item absolutely free. I love to say those words. The Schick Classic razors are again $4, and we have a $3 off coupon. And the Oral-B floss picks are $2.35, and we have a $1 off coupon, making them only $1.35. So looking at our subtotal, it will come to $25.35. And after our coupons and savings come off, including the 5 off 25, we will spend a total of $8.10 plus tax out of pocket for deal number 3. Okay guys, so there you have it. Those are 3 all digital, newbie friendly, easy couponing deals for Dollar General this Saturday. And don't forget, you can only coupon at Dollar General on Saturdays, which will be February 6th this week. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then definitely give it a big thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you guys can check out all of my couponing videos. And if you want to, check out the description box because I always leave links down there for some of my previous videos. And again, I also leave a link for my Instagram if you guys would like to follow me over on there. Don't forget to go on your DG accounts and clip all of your coupons that you'll need. I try and put pictures throughout the video so that you guys can see which coupons you exactly need for each deal. And always don't forget to have your 5 of 25 clipped so that you guys can save the most money. So I hope that you guys have a great day, and of course, happy couponing.